will my HSA or FSA cover my massage therapy? And in most cases, the answer is thankfully a resounding yes. For a lot of you, if you have an HSA health savings account that gives you an actual debit card to use through your job and you just have to show that card, we can run that card here at Bodyworks DW or any other massage place and pay for your massage with it. And in 99% of cases, we've never heard any clients get any complaints from their program. Some other clients have programs where they have to pay for it out of pocket and submit receipts to get reimbursed for that. And in those cases, most clients have reported that they haven't had any issues getting reimbursed for their massage therapy as well. Every once in a while, a client will run into a program where they decide that they don't want to cover it, and that might happen if you're on one of those programs that requires you to submit receipts for reimbursements, although we do find that to be very rare. So really the answer is in most cases, yes, your HSA and FSA will cover massage therapy, especially medical massage therapy like we practice at Bodyworks. And if you're on a program where you have to use up all of those health savings dollars by the end of the year, and if you don't, they don't roll over into the next year, you can actually buy a package of massages with us to use up the rest of that account towards the end of the year and then use those sessions the following year. And we've never seen any clients run into any issues doing that either. So we would love to have you use your health savings account with us and happy to take your card.